After exploring Solent Avenue, I continued my walk towards Bugolobi Trading Centre. As I walked along the road, I noticed how much things had changed, especially at the road junction. The area looked more developed than before, with the roads improved and well constructed. It was definitely a busy route with vehicles and people moving around. I kept walking until I reached Bugolobi Centre, where I spent some time capturing the atmosphere. The changes there were also very noticeable. The market was active, the buildings were in place, and everyone seemed busy going about their daily work. It was completely different energy compared to the quiet streets I had just walked through. This part of Bugolobi was alive, full of movement, businesses, and everyday life. I recorded as much as I could and captured the moments around the center. Давай, это село. Ati wadde ogamba otya? And from here, I'll continue the journey in the next video as I head towards Bugolobi Flats. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one, okay? Ciao!